For you to share the screen on Android, you will need to join a meeting and have permission from the host to share the screen. Please note that the screen sharing requires at least Android 5. Now, when you are in the meeting, please tap on the screen. The menu from the bottom should appear. Tap on the Share button. From the list, select Screen. Now you will get a notification that sensitive data can be seen by others. Please note that this info is differing depending on the manufacturer of the phone and the version of Android. Tap Start Now. Screen sharing has started. Now let's see how this looks on Zoom. Here is another person from the meeting and he sees my screen. The screen sharing has a lag, but it works better than other software like this. But how do you close the screen sharing? On the bottom of the screen you have an arrow. Tap on it. Here you will get a menu with Stop Sharing. Tap on it. The sharing of the screen has stopped. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.